Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to your density test. Please feel free to pause the video at any time if you need time to think about a question, or rewind if you need to hear a question read to you again. And I am going to begin. This is your density test. Number one, density is defined as blank. Is it A, the amount of mass per unit of volume of a substance or object? B, the amount of matter in a substance? C, the amount of space something takes up? Or D, the sum of the physical properties of a substance? Question 2. Which is the formula for finding density? Is it F, length times width times height? Is it G, D equals m divided by v, which means density equals mass divided by volume? Is it H, E equals mc squared? Or is it J, 8675309, 8675309? That's an 80s reference for all of you people, so in your face. Number 3, students in a lab group are asked to determine the identity of two unknown substances based on their densities. They measured the masses and volumes of each and recorded them on their table. Substance number 1 has a mass of 10.5 grams and a volume of 4.6 cubic centimeters. Substance 2 has a mass of 8.2 grams and a volume of 9.6 cubic centimeters. We do not know their densities. Remember the density formula. Okay. Then the group calculated the densities and compared them to this table. Wood has a density of 8.5. Carbon has a density of 2.27. Wood has a density of 0.85. Carbon has a density of 2.27. Copper has a density of 8.68. Lead has a density of 11.3. What is the identity of substance number 2? What is this one? This one. Substance 2. Which one of these is it? A, wood, B, carbon, C, copper, D, lead. All right. Question 4. A metal sample has a mass of 26.4 grams and a volume of 2.4 cubic centimeters. What is its density rounded to the nearest tenth? This is the tenth space. The nearest tenth. Write your answer and fill it in on the corresponding bubble sheet on your answer sheet. So you have a griddable for number 4. Make sure you bubble it correctly. Pay attention to the decimal points, people, please. Okay. Number 5, Sheldon's Meemaw gave him a necklace. Sheldon wants to know what the metal necklace is made out of. He finds that the mass is 4 grams and the volume is 0.38 milliliters. Milliliters means volume. According to the table below, what metal is the necklace made of? Remember your density formula. Mass divided by volume. What metal did Sheldon's Meemaw give to him? Is it A, copper, B, gold, C, silver, D, zinc? Number 6, Mac is trying to find the density of a rock he found in his yard. He measured the mass of the rock to be 25 grams. He found the volume by displacement as pictured below. What is the density of Mac's rock? This is the water level before the rock got put in. This is the water level after. Subtract the 2 to find the volume. Then mass divided by volume. What is the density of the rock? Is it 1.5 grams per milliliters? Is it 2.5 grams per milliliters? Is it 4.6 grams per milliliters? Or is it 6.9 grams per milliliter? Number 7, here's Sheldon's Meemaw again. Sheldon's Meemaw gave him a fancy coin. The coin has a mass of 78 grams. 78, not 7.8, 78 grams. And a volume of 4.04 milliliters. According to the table below, what is Sheldon's coin made out of? Remember the density formula. Mass divided by volume. Is it A, copper, B, gold, D, magnesium, C, magnesium, or D, silver? This is the chart. You need to look for your answer. Which one of these is it? Number 8. The amount of matter in an object or substance is its blank. Is it F, mass, G, volume, H, density, or J, length? Number 9, the amount of space an object or substance takes up. Is it blank? Is it A, mass, B, volume, C, density, or D, width? Number 10, the unit most often used to describe mass is what? Is it F, centimeters, G, grams, H, cubic centimeters, or J, grams per cubic centimeter? Number 11, the mass of the liquid shown in this graduated cylinder is 48 grams. So this liquid is a mass of 48 grams. What is the density of this liquid? So this would be 15, 16, 17, 8, no, this would be 15, wait, here's 20, and here's 25, and here's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Count by ones. 12. Eustace has a mysterious cube. Its volume is 8 centimeters. The mass of the cube is 8 grams. What is the density of the cube? Do not divide the first number you see by the second. You have to divide mass by volume. Is the density of the cube 0.25 grams per cubic centimeter? Is it 4 grams per cubic centimeter? Is it 1 gram per cubic centimeter? Or is it 16 grams per cubic centimeter? All right, number 13. Kermit poured some of the liquids from the following chart into a graduated cylinder, and they do not mix together. Which of the following shows the correct order in which the liquids will settle from the most dense on the bottom to the least dense on the top? So you have to check which is the most dense and which is the least dense. Is it A, baby oil, rubbing alcohol, honey, and water? Is it B, honey, water, rubbing alcohol, baby oil? Is it C, water, honey, baby oil, rubbing alcohol? Or is it D, rubbing alcohol, water, baby oil, honey? Most dense to least dense. Water is 1. If it's less than 1, then it's less dense than water and it will float. If it's more than 1, it'll be more dense than water and it will sink. Okay, Orzo put an unopened can of Diet Coke and a can of regular Coke into a tank of water. The Diet Coke floated on the surface of the water while the regular Coke sank to the bottom. Which is the best explanation for this? Is it F, Diet Coke is denser than water and regular Coke is less dense? Is it G, Diet Coke and regular Coke have the same density as water? Is it H, Coke is denser than water and Diet Coke is less dense than water? Or is it J, Diet Coke is poison? All right, this is your last question. Number 15, a student was experimenting with a mineral in class. She determined the mass of the mineral was 39.75 grams, and the volume of the mineral was 14.45 milliliters. Milliliters is volume. According to the chart below, which mineral is she experimenting with? So you have to determine density. Mass divided by volume. Is she experimenting with quartz, gypsum, talc, diamond, or iron pyrite? Which one of these is this? Okay, good luck. Remember to pause your video at any time and listen to a question read to you again, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.